Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to regrow damaged hair naturally. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Is your hair dry and brittle? If this is the case, your hair is severely damaged. Hair can be broken and damaged in a variety of ways. Too much blow drying, the use of toxic color additives, swimming in chlorine water, and even sunlight can swiftly degrade good hair. Fortunately, there are numerous hair treatments and therapies for damaged hair. We've compiled a list of therapies that will help you recover and restore your damaged hair. Continue reading to find out which treatment choices are right for you. Number 15. The Keratin Treatment. Your stylist may have suggested a keratin treatment to help restore the dull appearance and damage to your hair at some point. But what is a keratin treatment? Exactly. Keratin is a crucial protein that helps to build your nails and hair. A keratin treatment involves applying a protein-related mixture to your hair. It not only protects your hair from further damage, but it also cures and seals the breaking that has already occurred. Number 14. Avocado and Egg Mask. This avocado mask for damaged hair may be made at home with minimal effort. Avocados are high in valuable minerals, oils, and vitamins, which help to hydrate the hair, while eggs give the necessary protein for hair repair. To make a paste, combine 1 avocado and 1 egg. Apply the paste to your strands that are damaged. After applying, comb through the hair lightly to ensure that it is evenly coated. Allow the mask to permeate the hair for at least 20 minutes before thoroughly rinsing it off. For optimal results, repeat the procedure once a week. Number 13. Olive Oil Treatment. Olive oil has been used to heal and nourish dry, damaged hair by many people. Massage some oil into your dry scalp with your fingertips, then lightly comb through to disperse the oil evenly. Leave it on for as long as you want, or even overnight for best benefits. Before shampooing and conditioning your hair as usual, olive oil will not only moisturize the length and ends of your hair, but it will also aid to reduce dandruff formation and eliminate any dandruff flakes that may already be present. Number 12. Mayonnaise Treatment. Mayonnaise has also been shown to help in hair recovery. It contains oils as well as vital amino acids. After applying it, gently comb it through my hair. Cover it with a shower cap, and leave it on for 15 minutes to absorb. Hair should be shampooed and conditioned as usual. Within days of starting this treatment, you will notice a difference. Number 11. Egg White Protein Treatment. Another hair care suggestion is to take 1 or 2 eggs, remove the yolk, and preserve the egg white. From the scalp to the tips, softly massage the hair. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing. If you do this once or twice a week, your hair will get the vitamins and protein it needs to heal. Number 10. Use butter to tackle dullness. This hair care routine can help you take care of your dry, lifeless hair. Massage the length and ends of the hair with softened butter. Allow the butter to penetrate for at least 15 minutes by covering your hair with a shower cap. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual once it has sat for the specified amount of time. It will quickly remove the drabness. You'll be able to observe the butter treatment's results immediately away. Number 9. Massage with almond oil. Vitamins E and A, as well as other critical nutrients, are abundant in almond oil. This is typically used for skin care. It gives skin a healthy glow and protects it from the sun's damaging rays. It is also excellent for hair care. Warm the oil just a smidgen. It should be applied on moist hair. Before rinsing, cover your head and wait 30 minutes. Number 8. Massage with coconut oil. Coconut oil appears to be a great treatment for damaged hair. According to emerging studies, it has been shown to help with hair-related issues such as dandruff, roughness, and even lice. It will protect your hair from future damage while also restoring its original luster. One thing to bear in mind is that removing coconut oil from your hair is time-consuming. Remember to use it on a day when you plan to stay at home. Number 7. Honey Treatment. Honey strengthens your hair and can eventually prevent hair loss if you use it on a regular basis. It will also aid in the preservation of your hair's moisture content. By keeping your head and everything on it healthy, it slows down the deterioration process. Number 6. Start using a humidifier. It'll look fantastic with your hair. Your hair loses a lot of moisture throughout the day, especially in the winter when the air is dry. Use a humidifier to restore the moisture. It will replenish the moisture your hair has lost throughout the day. every night. Use it before going to bed. It will not only solve your hair problems, but it will also solve your skin's dryness issues. Number 5. Vitamin treatments. Every vitamin has some sort of health advantage. The vitamin capsules are applied straight to your hair follicles in vitamin hair treatments. Vitamin A promotes the development of cells. In other words, it has the ability to promote hair development. It treats both weak and thinning hair, as well as hair loss. Hair loss can be caused by a vitamin B deficiency. Vitamin B can also help to promote hair development. It can help with hair loss issues like alopecia. Vitamin C is essential for the formation of proteins in our bodies, collagen. It's one of our hair's structural proteins. Fruits like lemons, oranges, strawberries, and other citrus fruits can also help you absorb it. Another vitamin that promotes optimal hair health is vitamin E. It is really useful in the event of a breaking. Number 4. Sandalwood Oil. Sandalwood oil has been shown in scientific studies to boost hair growth swiftly. This oil encourages hair protein to multiply. As a result, as time passes, your hair becomes stronger. Take a small amount and gently massage it into your scalp for a few minutes. Smoothly work your way to the finish line. You will undoubtedly witness results in a matter of days. Number 3. Jojoba Oil. Jojoba oil is a popular and necessary element in hair care. Jojoba oil, which is high in minerals and vitamins like vitamins C, B, and E, can help you reclaim your hair's health. To begin the healing process, damaged hair requires food. Without it, the harm is irreversible. This is something that jojoba oil can help you with. Number 2. Tea rinse. Tea is a natural hair color booster that also promotes extraordinary shine. Make a cup of hot tea and use it to rinse your hair. You will be able to restore the natural appearance of your hair using this powerful home cure. Number 1. Vinegar Mask. To treat hair damage, you don't need to go out and buy pricey items. It'll suffice if you just use vinegar. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 3 egg whites and 2 teaspoons of olive oil to make a vinegar hair mask at home. Leave it for around 30 minutes after gently massaging it. After that, rinse it with a conditioning shampoo. We hope you liked learning about these easy and safe hair treatments. You don't need to buy any expensive goods for most of these treatments. You can do it in the comfort of your own home, using goods from your pantry. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.